Namaskar dosto. Greetings to all of our viewers.
Greetings to our viewers. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
We are here to share with you a piece of news that will excite all of us.
Amidst of so much negativity, this piece of information will bring a smile on all our faces as well as a ray of hope.
Hope. Yes. Novel coronavirus was unexpected and it has spread negativity and panic around all the world.
Here we are with a few thoughts, concepts and opportunities that lie in front of us, which will make India a Vishwaguru again.
China's loss is India's gain. This was the headline of the leading newspaper, The Hindu. You all must be wondering, how?
We all know that India has moved its focus from primary sector to tertiary sector over these years. Today, service sector contributes to 56% of India's GDP. Industrial sector contributes to 25%, whereas the primary sector contributes 19%. Wondering why am I sharing this information and how is this related to this video?
Let me tell you. Today, India is being presented as an alternative supply chain market around the world, specific in manufacturing sector of electronics and automobile sector components.
Wow, sounds great, right? Tata Steel MD and CEO Shri TV Narendran recently stated that this virus outbreak might not negatively impact India.
Post-COVID-19 world will bring an opportunity to India to enhance our secondary sector contribution towards our GDP.
The President of the United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump, clearly stated that the supply chain will never be the same again.
Japanese government is pulling out its all MNCs from China. And as soon as this news came out,
our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi immediately held bilateral talks with the Prime Minister of Japan, Mr. Shinzo Abe. Now that's a strategic game, right?
Not just this. Many European countries have tightened FDI rules all over their country so that these Chinese firms do not take over their economy.
Now, countries like Spain, Italy, Greece, Portugal have all agreed to adapt to these new FDI guidelines laid down by the European Union.
Australian PM Scott Morrison has repeatedly been talking about domestic economic sovereignty of their country.
When these countries are turning against China for not being able to control the pandemic, the same countries are now looking towards India and India's support.
COVID-19 will be a game changer for India, that is Bharat.
Indian industrial sector has a new game altogether.
Who is gonna be benefited by all this?
Us. We are going to be the beneficiaries.
So now, what should we do if we have to witness this in real action?
We have to clearly start preparing. Now, if we have to start preparing, the best solution to do now is to stay back home and stay safe.
India will be a
Vishwaguru.
Vishwaguru.